Tired of your email signature looking like everyone else's? Let's inject some personality by changing the text color in your Kvcore email signature. First, logged into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, look for the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. In the Marketing drop-down, find and select Marketing Autopilot. Now, click on Signature to access your email signature settings. You should now see the email signature editor here. You can customize your signature. Find the text you want to change the color of. Use your mouse to highlight the specific text you want to recolor. Above the text box, you'll find a toolbar. Look for the text color option. It usually looks like an O with a colored line underneath it. Click on it. A color palette will appear. Choose your desired color. You can select a preset color or use the color picker for a more custom shade. Once you've selected your color, the highlighted text will change to that color. Make sure the color aligns with your branding. Finally, and very important, click the Save button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed the text color in your Kvcore email signature, making it more visually appealing and aligned with your brand. Now you're ready to create a better and lasting impression.